I got this electric melting furnace. It is made by VEVOR. I did not get paid to make a review about this furnace, but I did get it for free. I will put 3 links, one promo code link, one link for EU and one link for USA customers. In this kit you get safety gloves, one 3 kilogram graphite crucible, one 1 kilogram graphite crucible, tongs, small graphite mold, I will not use this, power cable and spare fuse. This is electric melting furnace. You can see coils that will heat up the metal. Here you have manual, safety precautions, model, input power, maximum temperature 1150 Celsius, which is enough to melt copper, gold or silver. I will use this crucible to melt copper, bronze, brass and maybe aluminum or aluminium. In some cases it is better than propane furnace because it is easier to use, you can use it indoors and it is just more practical. But if you cast something and need more volume of metal, there is the downside of this furnace. This is 3 kilogram graphite crucible. Make sure not to touch the coils. This is the smaller one, 1 kilogram crucible. For now I will not use this. Parts of this furnace, part list, what you get in this kit. I have a couple of projects. I want to make bronze sword. I tried to make it with propane furnace and even with coal furnace. I did manage to melt the metal, but my casting was bad and the sword had a lot of air pockets and was really brittle. Also, I will make some small sculptures. In this video I will try to melt copper and bronze. I will not melt aluminum because it is easy to melt. If it can handle copper and bronze, it is good enough also for aluminum. Here you control the temperature and here you have instruction how to set up the temperature. Press U, set the temperature with this. Then the number below blinks. Adjust the temperature, press P to confirm. In this kit you get safety gloves, but I will also use breathing protection, eye protection, my welding apron. Scrap copper, If you like this furnace and have need for small furnace that you can use indoors for small or medium size metal castings, I think this is great furnace. If you like it, you have a link in the description and promo code. By clicking on it, you're also helping me to have in future some other cooperation with VEVOR and test other products that they have. I forgot to mention, this furnace take about 40 minutes to reach the temperature from room temperature to 1140 degrees Celsius. So about 40 minutes.